Hello guys, welcome back to the Luxury for Princess YouTube channel. My name is Melissa and today I'm actually going to show you guys how to do this J.Lo inspired half up pony. We're going to start off by pulling out our Luxury for Princess hair extensions. I like to keep mine stored in here. It keeps them safe and clean and in perfect condition. So we're just going to take these out and apply it to our hair. These are the new seamless hair extensions. They're so beautiful. Where the clips are, it is completely seamless. So they're not going to bother you. They're not going to show. They're going to look absolutely natural. Look at how perfectly seamless these are. All right, now that we have our extensions clipped in, we're gonna start styling our hair. And this style, you guys, is so easy to do because as long as you have all of the volume from the hair extensions, the rest is a breeze. I'm sectioning off the hair a little bit above where I placed the clip-in hair extensions. That way some of the hair can cover the clip-ins. So we're kind of just sectioning it off right above our ears. And then we will brush this hair back. Next, you're gonna wanna grab a little hair tie. These are my favorite little babies to use. They're these little spiral hair ties that don't leave any dents in your hair. So we're just gonna start just tying up this part of our hair. I feel like J.Lo always has a little bit of bounce in her hair, so we're actually gonna curl our hair. We're gonna be using our Luxury for Princess straightener. So what I'm gonna do is actually wrap the very top part of my hair and just clip it back so that we can focus on curling the bottom half of our hair first. What you wanna do is take sections about this thick. We don't want the hair to be super curly, so it doesn't have to be really small sections. Then you're gonna take your straightener and you are going to just start wrapping the hair away instead of going in a downwards motion. We don't want like curls, we just want like fun bouncy waves for this look. So all you're gonna do is throw this to the back and finish off the rest of the hair. So I'm gonna finish off the look, we're gonna speed it up and I will see you guys at the end. All right, we're gonna take this top part of our hair now, and this is a really easy part. We're just going to separate it into two and start curling this part. What I like to do once I finish adding waves to my hair is kind of run my fingers through the waves. That way they kind of fluff up and become a little bit more voluminous. All right, this is the last step. We're gonna grab our hairspray because we want this hair to stay smooth and perfect, and then we want our waves to last as well, and we're just gonna spray it all over. And then if you wanna make this top pony a little bit higher, I kinda like that because I feel like J.Lo always wears it super high up. You just gotta like keep squeezing it at the top and bring this hair forward. And there you go. This is the final look, you guys. This is the J.Lo inspired half up pony. It's really easy to do. Just add some luxuries, curl your hair, and you're good to go. I hope you guys found this tutorial fun to watch, and I will see you guys in another one.